Hello, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm doing a crock pot meal of chicken, and it's going to be like chicken and gravy, so I can make some mashed potatoes and pour it over the top or on the side. Either way, let me bring you in a little closer so you can see how I'm doing this. Such an easy meal. Alright, let's get busy making it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is, I got my crock pot, I just put it on high. And I'm going to spray it with Pam. Easy cleanup. Make sure you get those sides sprayed good. So I got that sprayed with Pam. Then we're going to season our chicken. And I'm using the Cajun chicken seasoning from Gordon Foods. And some seasoning salt. I like Lawry's. And some cracked pepper. And I'm going to put them in here. Season side down. I'm going to season it again. In here, I'm going to add some celery. And I don't have celery, but I have Thrive celery. So I'm just going to throw a couple handfuls of that on there. And when that cooks up, it's just like frozen celery. There's no crunch to it, but oh my gosh, the flavor's there. And if you don't know where to pick up the Thrive from, you can go to Linda's Pantry. She has a website there for it. I've got some sliced onion, couple handfuls of that, and I've got chicken or turkey stock that I did up. Now you could add your rice in here at the bottom, in the bottom area. And then put your chicken in there, and then you would have chicken and rice. I'm going to make my husband some mashed potatoes so that he could pour this over that. Okay, the reason I'm putting it in the measuring cup is because I'm going to mix up 2 of the chicken gravy mixes that you get at the dollar store or Dollar General. They're like $1 or something a piece. If you've never tried them, they're amazing. And then I'm going to stir that up. So that way there it's good and mixed. And the chicken will make broth of its own. Even though there's not much skin on there, there's a little bit of fat. I'm going to pour that over the top. Alright, I'm not going to put the other one in there because it's covered where I want it to be covered. I am going to get all that goodness out of there. And that's it. I'm going to wipe down the top here. Oh, I've got mushrooms I want to put in there. I forgot about my mushrooms. I should have grabbed the Thrive mushrooms, huh? You know what? I'm not going to put mushrooms in it this time. I ain't got time. I'm going to a funeral. A friend of mine's, family friend of ours, stepmother passed away, so we're going to that funeral. So I gotta be going. So if later on I want to add the mushrooms, I can, but I'm not going to right now. So alright, it's on high. I'm gonna put this where the hole goes out away from my cupboard, so my cupboards don't get steamed up. And that's it. Alright, when it's done, I'll come back and show you what I've done. Alright, so it's now almost 6 o'clock. I put this in at, let's see, 11:30. I came home about 2:30 I came home. I turned it on low. And look at the gravy in that. It just turned out beautiful. You didn't have to add soup to it. Chicken breast is cooked perfect. Now I made rice, or I'm sorry, stuffing on the side. And I followed the instructions on the box. So I'm going to get a scoop of that. And put right here, a couple scoops for him. Like so. Get him a couple big pieces of chicken, and it's tender, fall apart. Take some gravy, pour it over the top of that chicken, a little bit over his rice, or stuffing. Why do I keep calling it rice? And voila, an easy dinner. There. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. I want to thank you for stopping by. As always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Have a good day. Bye.